Hi, this is Justin Liu. Welcome to another episode of Kape't Insurance, where we talk about everything non-life insurance over coffee.
Hi, I'm Jay Bondoc of Piedlar Non-Life Insurance Consultancy and Training, and today we're going to talk about being an insurance agent as a career.
Let's go! So, good morning everyone. We're here for another episode of Kape't Insurance. So, today we have our guests, Sir Jay Bondoc of Piedlar Insurance, Non-Life Insurance Training and Consultancy, and Miss Faye, who is our Head of Licensing sa Mercantile Insurance. So, today pag-uusapan natin ang option as a career ng pagiging non-life insurance agent. Alam nyo, mga tao ngayon, maraming mga naghahanap ng entrepreneurial endeavors, businesses, diba? Gusto ng mga flexible work, so other ways to make money. And we think it's very important for people to understand that being a non-life insurance agent is actually a very viable career path also. So, let's start with you, Sir Jay. So, bakit viable ang pagiging career path? Why should someone consider being a non-life insurance agent?
Yeah, Sir Justin, no, siguro simulan natin ano ba yung produkto ng non-life insurance. So, as the name suggests, non-life insurance kasi ito yung insurance na basta hindi tungkol sa tao. Ito yung insurance na para sa properties. Yung bahay, yung building, yung kotse, yung mga construction. So, normally, ito yung mga policies, itong mga insurance policies na kukuhanin mo if you're the client. Tapos, i-renew mo pagkatapos ng isang taon. So, palagi siyang rini-renew. Tapos, dahil i-renew mo siya after 1 year, palaging yung kita ng ahente, palagi siyang nandun. And yung kita ng ahente dito is about mga 15 to 20%, no? Commissions in the form of commissions. And hindi yan nawawala, palaging nandyan yan. So, dahil rinirenew mo yan every year, parang may snowball effect yung commission mo as an agent throughout the years that you practice non-life insurance agency. Kasi yung commission mo ng isang taon, pagkatapos dun sa pangalawang taon, nandun pa rin yun at may bagong business ka na naman. Very lucrative itong business ng non-life insurance agency, especially in this time na may climate change na. Yung nakaraan nating bagyo, 2, Henry tsaka Carding, parehong category 5 yun, super typhoons. Kung nakita natin sa YouTube, yung huli, yung hurricane sa Florida, nakakatakot. Now, there's no safe place anymore. Wala nang mataas na level, wala nang safe because of climate change. And therefore, yung career ng isang non-life insurance agent is very important actually to protect the properties of people. Tapos, ang maganda dito, Sir Justin, sa non-life insurance agency ngayon, we can actually do this at home. Yung parang pandemic-suited siya na yung, di ba, yung mobility ng tao na bawasan. Kung pwede, kumita ka sa bahay na lang. This is the perfect career for that. Kasi end-to-end, from quotation to policy provision to the provision of OR, yung commission ng ahente, we automatically credit to their bank account. Yung claiming, through internet din, no need to go to the office. So, hindi lalabas ng bahay yung agent, kikita siya, and they will be able to serve their clients.
Wow.
So, that's the power.
Galing. So, yung nakuha ko dun sa sinabi mo is, etong mga produkto ng non-life is very important kasi daily needs to, di ba?
Yes.
Kotse, bahay,
Yes.
Property, travel insurance.
Yes.
Ito yung mga laging kailangan ng tao, and ang laki ng ginastos ng tao para bilhin tong mga to So, kailangan protektahan.
Niya.
So, yung trabaho ng non-life agent is to help their customers protect these valuable assets. Tapos, pag nagbebenta ng policy yung agent, nakakuha siya ng commission, which is 15 to 25%.
Yes.
And renewable every year. Tapos, syempre, every year, nakakuha siya ng mga bagong kliyente, na servicean nila ng maayos yung existing kliyente, nagre-refer yan. So, dumadagdag yung kliyente ng ahente.
Yes.
Para sa ating audience, bigyan mo naman ng siguro ano bang mga magkano pwedeng kitain ng non-life insurance agent?
Meron tayong Sir Justin, meron tayong model parang sa isang ordinaryong and hindi naman full-time na agent. In 5 years time, easily 150,000 a month, no? Kasi nga may snowball effect 'yan. Pero may mga agents tayo na kasama who earn as much as 1 million, no, on the average a month. On commissions alone.
Wow.
Direct commissions 'yan. Minsan may mga ang Mercantile kasi very comprehensive yung compensation package niyan. Pag licensed ka, meron ka pa ng profit sharing, meron ka ng mga long-term and short-term sales promos. So, yung income really is, it's very lucrative.
Wow. So, parang ayoko na maging businessman na corporate, maging non-life insurance agent na rin ako. Pero, I think we've established yung non-life products. This is something that people should consider. Pero, pag nag-isip na tao na, okay, gusto kong maging agent, ano yung first steps na kailangan gawin, Faye?
Actually, Sir Justin, madali lang eh. First step is they need to pass the license exam. Second, they need to apply for the license, and then yung issuance lang ng license. So, madali lang siya.
So, exam, apply for a license. Ano yung mga requirements?
So, for the requirements, they have the IC application form, SSS, and then ID picture. And that's it.
Okay. Yung exam, mahirap ba to or paano yun?
Actually, sir, si company naman is nagpo-provide ng training before yung mga ahente mag-take na exam.
Okay.
So, for now, since nga nasa pandemic pa tayo, it's conducted online.
Okay. So, may training, may mga study materials.
Licensing po, nagpo-provide din tayo ng mga reviewers sa mga...
Wala namang may kodigo, meron ba? Wala naman. More of study materials to help them ensure that they pass the exam. And then the exam, how much does it cost to take the exam?
The cost of the exam is 1,010.
1,010, and this is done with the insurance commission.
Yes.
Okay. So once they pass the exam, they submit the requirements, they can then become a licensed insurance agent. Okay. So, once they become a licensed insurance agent na, ano yung validity ng
For
license?
For the license, ang validity niya is 3 years.
3 years.
Yes,
Tapos
and then renewal. Yes.
Okay. So, ano naman next step, Sir Jay? Okay, license na ako, anong mga unang kailangan ko gawin? Paano ko i-build na yung negosyo ko?
Yeah, ang first step dyan, Sir Justin, really is to let the world know that you're into it.
Okay.
Kasi kumbaga, i-announce mo, you will inform your natural market as an agent, di ba? That you're doing non-life insurance agency. It is as simple as a Facebook post na, I'm with Mercantile Insurance already, I'm already licensed. So, kasi yung mga natural market ng mga agents natin, meron na yung coverage eh. Ganun kasi kadali ibenta ang non-life insurance. Whether or not someone is into it, yung agency business, your natural market, your case, yung kamag-anak, kaklase, kaibigan, kapitbahay, what have you, meron ng coverage yan. So, you just let them know, I'm a viable option, and then you can, ang pinaka-swabe dyan, do me as a benchmark, baka makabigay ako ng mas magandang presyo or a better cover
or better service.
So, you just let people know that you're doing it, and then be in the digital realm. Yun, yan eh. you have to be in there already. Yung kumbaga, you have to do social media, you have to know how to take pictures of risk, you have to upload it in the internet, you have to do emailing. Yan. So you have to be there in the digital realm. Tapos, very important is that as an agent, you have to be technically capable, no? Meaning, you try to understand the products, you try to understand how the system works, kasi that's the only way you can gain a good reputation to clients. That you know what you're doing. You're not just there for the money.
Yeah.
You're there really for them, to give them the risk management. Risk management kasi yan, no? Yung parang risk yan eh. So, how do you handle the risk na mabunggo yung sasakyan, masunog yung bahay? It's through insurance. You transfer the risk. So, dapat yung agent, they're technically capable of handling, and securing the risk of the client. Yung interest ng kliyente, yun yung nasa forefront. Dapat na talaga may malasakit. And lastly, you cannot sell a product without faith. Faith in the company that you represent and faith in the products that you sell. So, kumbaga, you try to know, as an agent, you try to know also the company that you work with. What are its strengths? What are the core competence of the company you represent? How well your products work? Diba? Gaano kabilis ang claim? Gaano kabilis magbayad ng motor car insurance for repairs? Diba? Dapat ang ahente, nahuhugot niya sa ulo niya yung mga facts na yan eh.
Yeah. So, I think maraming basically, to be a successful agent, you really need to do your homework, you need to prepare. After getting the license, you need to know the products. And for you, Sir Jay, at Piedlar Non-Life Insurance Agency, how do you train or how do you empower your agents? How do you help them to be successful? Ano yung mga tools na nabibigay, let's say, ng Mercantile at ng Piedlar?
Sir Justin, I like the word that you mentioned, empowerment. No, you empower the agents so that they are able to control their turnaround time and they're not dependent on the office and they look good to the eyes of the clients. And how do we do that? Firstly, we provided the Piedlar agents with an app, which it's called Piedlar Insurance app, where they can actually, at the tip of their fingers, can actually make the quotations for motor car insurance, home insurance. Nandun din yung reference kung paano mag-claim. Nandun yung reference kung ano yung mga underwriting requirements for certain risk. It works offline, so hindi kailangan ng internet para umandar. We provided it to them as the most powerful tool for sales. So, nasa kasalan sila, nagtanong yung katabi nila sa lamesa, magkano yung insurance ko para dun sa 2020 Fortuner ko? Right then and there, in 10 seconds, they can give exactly how much the premium is because of the app. So that's one. We provided them a very good sales tool. Second is we really periodically, sa Piedlar side, and also with the help of Mercantile, provide them continuous training on the technical side, yung mga policy conditions, and we also provide soft skills training, salesmanship, effective presentation, what have you.
These are very important things. And for a non-life insurance agent, syempre, let's say they work by themselves, they go out, they talk to people, they talk about the products, they get training with the insurance agency, with the insurance company. Paano naman pipiliin nung tao kung kaninong insurance company siya magko-connect with? Like, what advice would you give? Kasi ang daming insurance company dyan, di ba? You can represent different insurance companies. Anong klaseng homework ang kailangan gawin ng tao para mamili kung sino yung ire-represent niya na company.
Yeah, yung agent dapat should do their homework in terms of comparing different companies, no? Alin yung i-represent nila. Kasi importante, as I've said a while ago, na dapat yung ahente, believe siya dun sa kumpanyang din-represent niya. So homework, yung Insurance Commission kasi every year, they publish the ranking of insurance companies, no? Pwede niya i-check doon. How big the company is in terms of net premium, how big in terms of capitalization, how big in terms of net income. Aside from that, I think the agent should also, find out yung side ng efficiency, yung bilis. Kasi dito sa industriya ng non-life insurance, it's all about speed. And, may mga kumpanya kasi na they are into really like centralizing everything, no? While others, they are into decentralizing the operations to make it more efficient. I think one of the core competence of Mercantile is that it focuses on decentralizing the operations. Decentralization means kasi na bibigyan mo ng authority yung mga branches mo, like yung sa probinsya. Kaya nilang mag-settle ng claims, kaya nilang mag-issue ng cheque on their own without depending on the head office. That I think is equal to efficiency.
Yeah, that's good. So I think actually maraming mga solid na insurance companies dito sa Pilipinas, di ba?
Yeah.
And it's important for every individual to do their homework, to talk about, to research on the different companies, to also talk with other existing insurance agents, no, to see their experience. And I totally agree with what you said. The speed, efficiency is very important. Hindi lang yung presyo, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi binebenta natin or yung serbisyo natin is insurance eh.
Yeah.
Pag merong na-aksidente or nasunog, kailangan mabilis gumalaw hindi lang yung ahente pero pati yung insurance company. So yun ang doon magiging believe ang kliyente doon sa ahente at sa kumpanya, di ba? So Faye, ano pang ibang, so after nakuha na nung tao yung lisensya, let's say nagbebenta siya, nakabenta na siya ng ilang policies, ano pang pwedeng maasahan ng insurance agent sa insurance company ongoing? Meron pa bang ibang mabibigay tayo?
Yes, sir. Sir, the company continuously give naman yung ahente ng training para maging prepared din sila, para paglabas nila, ma-explain nilang mabuti sa mga client nila kung ano talaga yung binibenta nila. So, continuous training talaga yung binibigay natin. Yan yung best tool talaga ng ahente.
Especially for kasi lagi may mga new product, di ba? Or may mga variation. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So, I think lastly, Sir Jay, let's before we end, let's say there's someone who, is watching this video, is interested to learn more or to parang hindi pa sila sure kung magte-take na exam or whatever. What advice can you give to someone who's just curious and wants to parang learn more about the non-life industry?
Sir Justin, we at Piedlar, we conduct a business opportunity seminar, just like an half hour or 1 hour session. There we lay down information, of course, about Mercantile, the insurance company, the career, how much time would they spend on it, how lucrative it is, the forecast on income. So from there, makikita na nila if this business is for them or not. No, non-obligatory yan. Tingnan lang nila, okay, is that something I can do? Is that something I want to do? Especially for the long haul. Tapos, they can decide from there if they want to push through or not.
Wonderful. So right now at Piedlar, how many agents do you have?
We currently handle over 100 agents right now all over Philippines.
Wow.
Sir
Wow.
Justin, no? All working with Mercantile, of course. No?
Wow. And then soon you will be hitting the 1,000 agent mark.
The vision is to have at least 2,000 agents, no, productive agents with at least 1 billion in net premiums. That's the vision for Piedlar.
Wow, wow. Wonderful. So if anyone wants to learn more about Piedlar, please click the link above. So thank you, Faye. Thank you, Sir Jay. You know, we learned so much about the career option of being a non-life insurance agent. Definitely, Mercantile has been in the industry since 1962, and non-life insurance is actually a very important industry in the world. So this is something that is not a scam. It's basically a real business, real opportunity. So I hope the audience enjoyed our informational clip today. And we'll see you again at our next episode of Kape't Insurance. Thanks, everyone. Bye.